Children, how are you all? I am Asha, your EVS teacher from Dr. Besant English Medium School. Children, in the last video, what we discussed about? What is our lesson name, children? Tell me. Our lesson 4 is safety. This is our lesson name, children. Yes, in this lesson, what we discussed in the last video, I will just revise once. Then we will continue our lesson. Okay. The last video what we discussed? Yes, safety. Safety at home. How you will be very safe at home. So what are the things? You never touch those things. What are those? Chalk. Chalk means here knife. Scissors, matchbox, all these things you do not touch. And electrical things also never touch the electrical things. And what you have to do, don't switch on and off the gas in the kitchen. So all these things you have to don't touch these things and never turn on the gas. Yes, and never touch the gas cylinder. These are the safety measures you have to take at home. Understand, children? Yes. Okay. Now what we are going to discuss about how you will be very safety at school. Yes, our next speaking task is safety at school. Today we are going to discuss about that safety at school. Yes. So safety at school. In the last video we discussed about safety at home. Safety at home we discussed. Now we are going to discuss about safety at school. How you will be very safe at school. At school, how you will be very safe. How you will be safe, children? Tell me. In which way you will be safe? So already we discussed what are the reasons. What are the reasons you may get hurt at school? మనం ఆల్రెడీ డిస్కస్ చేసాం కదమ్మా. మీకు స్కూల్లో ఏ విధంగా దెబ్బలు తగిలే అవకాశం ఉంటుంది అని డిస్కస్ చేసామా లేదా? ఏం డిస్కస్ చేసాం? ఏ విధంగా దెబ్బలు తగిలే అవకాశం ఉందని డిస్కస్ చేసాం. ఎస్, ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ రన్నింగ్ అప్ అండ్ డౌన్ ద స్టేర్స్, so in that way you may get hurt. And if you are jumping from the desks and chairs, that is also one reason you may get hurt. Yes. After that, while pushing each other, yes children, while pushing with your friends, you may get hurt. ఇవన్నీ రీజన్స్ అని చెప్పుకున్నాం కదా. సో మనం సేఫ్టీగా ఉండాలంటే మనం ఎలా ఉండాలి అనేది ఇప్పుడు డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్? ఎస్. First of all, don't run up and down the stairs. Yes children, do not run up and down the stairs. మెట్ల మీద నుంచి పరిగెట్టడం కానీ దిగేటప్పుడు కానీ పరిగెట్టి వెళ్ళకూడదు, అలాగే పరిగెట్టి రాకూడదు. సో don't run up and down the stairs. While you are walking on the stairs, you should be very careful. Yes children? Yes. So what is the first point? Do not run up and down the stairs. Down the stairs. Yes, you should not run up and down the stairs. మెట్ల మీద నుంచి పరిగెట్టి వెళ్ళకూడదు, పరిగెట్టి రాకూడదు. ఎస్, దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ వీ షుడ్ ఫాలో ఎట్ స్కూల్. At school steps are there to go upstairs. Yes, so don't run up and down that stairs. Don't run up and down the stairs. Next one. Next point. Never jump on desk and also from the chairs. Yes, never jump from the desks and chairs. where you are keeping your books in the school? Yes, in the desks. From the desk, never stand and jump from that desks and from the chairs. Your tables, chairs, teacher's table, teacher's desk is there, na? So you should not jump from that desks. All of you understand, children? A teacher's desks kani, మీ డెస్క్ చైర్స్ అవన్నీ ఎక్కి జంప్ చేయకూడదు. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఎస్, నెవర్ జంప్ ఆన్ డెస్క్ అండ్ చైర్స్. ఎస్, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ don't push each other. So you and your friend are there, you are fighting or quarreling something. While you are fighting and quarreling, never push with each other. ఒకళ్ళనొక్కరు తోసుకోకూడదు. తోసుకుంటే ఏమవుతాయేమో మనకి ఆ బెంచ్ కానీ చైర్స్ కానీ అన్నీ తగిలి మనకి దెబ్బలు తగులుతాయా లేదా? సో డోంట్ పుష్ each other. Don't push each other. Don't push with your friends or anyone. We never push with each other. We never push with each other. All of you understand, children? Yes. Yes. What is the next point? Yes. So next one is don't throw anything on each other. Don't throw anything on each other. Yes, don't throw anything on each other. So if your friend and you are quarreling or fighting something you are doing, so if you are having pencil or pen or your box or anything in your hand, if you are throwing that thing on your friend, what will happen? He may get hurt. So planks, pads, books, don't throw anything. ఏదైనా సరే ఎవరి మీదకి విసరకూడదు. విసురుతామమ్మా? No, never. Don't throw anything on each other. Don't throw anything on each other. All of you understand, children? Yes. And one more point is there. Don't run in the corridors or in the playground. Yes. So in your school, corridors are there, na? So don't run in that corridors and also in the playgrounds. Yes, children, if you are running and you are pushing each other, what will happen? You may get hurt. All these 5 points, all of you understand, children? Yes. Shall I explain you again? Yes, I will explain you again once. What is the first one? Safety at school. How you will be very, very safe at school? Do not run up and down the stairs. What is the first one? Do not run up and down the stairs. While you are walking on the stairs, you should be very, 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 very careful. And do not run up and down the stairs. Do not run up and down the stairs. Yes, at school, you should not run up and down the stairs. What is the next point? Never jump on the desks and from the chairs. So you should not jump. You should not jump on the desks. Your school, where you are keeping your books? In the desk. So from the desk, you should not jump. And you should not play around the teacher's desk and around the teacher's chair. So you should not play around it. Okay? Don't push each other. While you and your friend are playing or something you are doing, but you should not push each other. You should not push each other. Yes, children. Next one. Don't throw anything on others. Don't throw anything on others or don't throw anything with each other. So if your pencil, sharpener, eraser, anything, whatever there in your hands, you should not throw that one to your friend. what will happen? What will happen? He may get hurt. Yes. Next one. Don't run in the corridors. Don't run in the corridors or in the playgrounds. So while you are playing with your friends, you should be very, very careful and don't run in the corridors. All of you understand, children, these points? Now go on, bring your speaking task book. That means your school book, children. Go on, bring that one. I will explain that speaking task. Go on, bring your school book. This is your school book, children. Go on, bring that one. Yes, in that lesson number 4, safety. Lesson number 4, safety. This is lesson number 4, safety. In that speaking task 4, in that again second one. What it is? Safety at school. Already safety at home. It is finished. Now safety at school. Yes. So go on, bring that one. I will explain that speaking task now. All of you opened, children? Opened? Yes. How you will be very, very safety at school? At school. What is the first point? Don't run up and down the stairs. Don't run up and down the stairs. Next, second point. Never jump on desks and chairs. Next, don't push each other. Don't push each other. Don't throw anything on each other. Yes. Next, don't run in the corridors or playground. Yes, children, this is the speaking task 4 in that 4 we are in this second one, safety at school. So now I am going to read that speaking task. Along with me, you have to read. Okay? and keep your fingers where I am reading. Here it is, safety at school. You have to practice along with me, okay? Don't run up and down the stairs. Don't run up and down the stairs. Never jump on desks and chairs. Never jump on desks and chairs. Don't push each other. Don't throw anything on each other. Don't run in the corridors or playground. Again, I am repeating this speaking task. Along with me, you have to read. Okay, children? And keep your fingers where I am reading. Yes? Don't run up and down the stairs. Never jump on desks and chairs. Don't push each other. Don't throw anything on each other. Don't run in the corridors or playground. All of you understand, children, this speaking task? Yes, you have to practice this speaking task. Now I will repeat what we taught today. Yes, children? Yes. Today we discussed about how you will be very safety at school. So if you want to be safety at school, what you have to do? Don't run up and down the stairs. This is your speaking task 4 in that safety at school. Yes. Never jump on desks and chairs. Next, don't push each other. With your friends, don't push with each other. Next, don't throw anything on each other. You and your friend should not throw anything on each other. Next, don't run in the corridors or playgrounds. Yes. Again, I am reading. You have to read along with me. Practice along with me. Okay? Don't run up and down the stairs. Never jump on desks and chairs. Don't Don't push each other. Don't throw anything on each other. Don't run in the corridors or playground. Yes, children, all of you understand this speaking task. You have to practice it. And what is the homework for you, children? Yes, you have to practice this speaking task. How you will be very safety at school. Yes, you should not get hurt at school. So if you should be very careful, nothing will be happen to you. So if you are pushing with each other, throwing things on each other and running up and down the stairs and running in the playground, what will happen? You will get hurt. So when you are coming to school, you should be very careful. Yes, these things we have to follow. Then you will not get hurt. ఇవన్నీ మీరు జాగ్రత్తగా చేస్తే మీకు దెబ్బలు తగులుతాయా స్కూల్లో? No, never. Yes. So don't run up and down the stairs, never jump from the desks, and don't push each other, and don't throw anything on each other. Don't run in the playgrounds and corridors. While you are playing games, you should be very careful. Yes, children, games ఆడేటప్పుడు మాత్రం చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా ఆడాలి. అర్థమవుతుందా? నెవర్ పుష్ విత్ ఈచ్ అదర్ అండ్ డోంట్ త్రో ఎనీథింగ్ విత్ ఈచ్ అదర్. ఎస్ చిల్డ్రన్, we should follow all these things. Yes. So this is the homework for you. Practice the speaking task from the school book. Here it is. Yes, practice it and send me the voice message. Okay children, tomorrow we will continue our lesson. Okay children, thank you. Bye bye.